An unprecedented legal case against Israel. For the first time, it's answering for its actions before the International Court of Justice. The case was brought by South Africa, and Israel stands accused of committing and having the intention to commit genocide against Palestinians in Gaza. The Israeli government says the case is baseless.
No, South Africa, it's not us who came to commit genocide, it's Hamas. And Hamas would kill us all if it could. In contrast, our military acts in the most moral way. It does everything possible to avoid harming civilians.
With more than 23,000 Palestinians dead, Israel doesn't deny killing high numbers of civilians, but it blames Hamas. It says the armed group is guilty of installing its infrastructure near hospitals, schools and homes, leaving communities vulnerable to attacks from Israeli forces. But evidence Israel has put forward to back this claim has proven false in the past.
This is a grab bag.
Hours after striking Shifa Hospital in Gaza City, Israel's army deleted this video, which it claimed proved there was a Hamas command center under the hospital. When doubts were raised, it reposted a new version without the words "undeniable truth." Israel is sought to defend its airstrikes, saying it takes care to warn civilians by dropping leaflets directing them to what it called safe zones. But it's also bombed many of those areas, which is why Palestinians and aid agencies maintain that nowhere in Gaza is safe. In an 84-page filing, South Africa says there's evidence Israel is also targeting civilians by limiting the delivery of food, medicine, fuel and water. A claim the United Nations and top human rights organizations agree on, but Israel again points to Hamas.
Unfortunately, to date, the UN aid mechanism in Gaza has been woefully unsuccessful because it goes through UNRWA. Aid simply isn't reaching the people who need it because Hamas hijacks it and UNRWA covers up for it.
Israel is expected to remind the court of the brutality of Hamas's attack on the 7th of October. Many in Israel shocked that the country is facing legal proceedings and not Hamas. Israel's foreign ministry has responded to the application on Thursday at the International Court of Justice, calling it one of the biggest shows of hypocrisy and accusing South Africa of being the legal arm of Hamas. Israel will get its chance to respond officially in court on Friday. Stefanie, Dekker, Al Jazeera in occupied East Jerusalem.